Hello learners, greetings from AISECT Learn, well known for better education and better careers. Welcome to today's course on basics of digital marketing and social media management. In this course, you'll learn what digital marketing is, why it's crucial in today's world, and how social media can be used effectively to build your online presence, connect with audiences, and even start earning online. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand the fundamentals of digital marketing and its importance, differentiate between traditional and digital media, create engaging content using Canva, and plan it using content calendars. Build and manage social media profiles across platforms. Run paid ad campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. Study real-life viral content through case studies. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or budding entrepreneur, this course is your gateway into the digital marketing world. Enroll now in the Basics of Digital Marketing and Social Media Management course. Let's get started on your digital journey. See you in the course.